Hi, I'm David Forrester. I'm the owner of Heritage Painting and Decorating, a residential and commercial painting company. Our core focus is on the residential painting projects. Big part of our business is repainting homes for homeowners. Often they're single-family homes or condo interiors. Another key part of our business is custom new home painting that we do. Another area that we are qualified to work in is with the wallpaper installation. So I have a top-notch wallpaper installation specialist on my crew. Interior designers are a great connection for us. We often will do the wallpaper installation on their projects, and very often they refer us for painting services as well to their clients. Quite often I have customers we've worked for since the 90s that we still come back to when they need something done or if they move. And then we have a network of general contractors that we work with as well. A key reason I enjoy my work is the interactions with customers. So I enjoy meeting people. We're looking at making sure that every customer feels like they've been well looked after during the project and everything is tidily wrapped up and we're respectful and friendly to have around. We work on a variety of projects, a couple of unique ones. We helped restore an abandoned interurban tram car that the city of Richmond has on display in Steveston. Just in the last couple of months, we spent a few weeks doing restoration work at the Dr. Sun Yat-sen Classical Chinese Gardens. So that was an interesting change of pace. Very beautiful setting to work in there. So we were able to help restore some of that exotic wood that's part of that facility there. A lot of the times the projects we do are the same as the competition's work. It's the details that set us apart. And I think part of that is the range of services we can provide. In our comfort zone, we can include a little bit more than some companies can. So we take care of the wallpaper install. We can take care of finer detailed painting maybe than some companies can. And spray work is a key thing that not every company can do, fine finish spraying. So if you're looking to have your home freshened up or add some color, give us a call. Have us come around and give you a quote. You can see the contact form below, and we'd be happy to help upgrade and customize your home with color and wallpaper.